Hey guys, today we're doing a red bus tour in beautiful Cape Town. Before we get started, just so you know, your tickets can be purchased at the tour office, which is situated at the V&A waterfront. This is where the tour starts. Cape Town is one of my favorite cities. It's just so beautiful. Just sitting back and looking out onto all its beauty is definitely something I would recommend when visiting. The tour goes through Cape Town's city centre, which is its vibrant business and commercial heart, with a mix of stores, restaurants, and even bars and nightclubs. Long Street is the funkiest and loudest street in Cape Town, bustling with markets and boerewors roll stands during the day. But once the sun sets, all the attention is on the bars, pubs and clubs. Another tour office is situated on Long Street. Here we are still going through the city centre with glimpses of Table Mountain at every corner. The Mount Nelson Hotel is a luxury hotel overlooked by Table Mountain. Painted pink to celebrate peace at the end of the First World War, the Mount Nelson is one of Cape Town's top hotels. How gorgeous is that mountain? Table Mountain is South Africa's most photographed mountain, and you can see why. Here we have a view of Cape Town's harbour. It is one of the most beautiful harbours in the entire world, framed by the mountainous peninsula. The port is positioned along one of the world's busiest trade routes, and because of Cape Town's tourist attraction, it has received global recognition by being nominated as Africa's leading cruise ports in 2019. The Rhodes Memorial on Devil's Peak is a memorial to the English-born South African politician Cecil John Rhodes, which is a bit of a controversial site due to the political impact Cecil John Rhodes historically had in the formation of an unequal system. We hopped off at the bus at another one of Cape Town's beauties. The Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens is acclaimed as one of the great botanic gardens of the world. Hey guys, okay, so we've come to the Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens and it's just a nice day out. The weather's cleared up so nicely, it's nice and sunny, so I think it's going to be a really good day. Few gardens in the world can match this setting against the eastern slopes of Table Mountain. I don't see how that works. There are many different walks and trails in Kirstenbosch, as well as free guided tours of the garden, taking place from Mondays to Fridays at 10, 11 and 2 p.m. The Kirstenbosch estate covers 528 hectares, most of which is protected, supporting natural forest and fynbos, as well as a wide variety of indigenous birds, animals, reptiles, frogs, and it was proclaimed a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2004. Hi guys, so we are still in the Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. We're just doing the treetop walk thing now. We're going there So I think that's going to look really pretty. This place is beautiful, but it's a lot of walking, so bring your comfy shoes. The treetop canopy walkway is a 130-meter long curved bridge made of steel and timber that winds its way through the forest. The design was inspired by snakes slithering through the trees. The walkway takes visitors through the trees and then bursts out, giving spectacular views of the surrounding mountains and gardens. Kirstenbosch forests have been protected since the garden was established in 1913. In the 1960s to 1970s, alien species were eradicated and the forests left to regenerate and recover naturally. So the poor trackers thought that they thought it was the tree that made them sick. And that's how the fever tree got its name, because the poor trackers thought it was the tree that gave them the fever. But it was actually mosquitoes. The garden includes this large indoor greenhouse exhibiting plants from a number of different regions, including savanna, fynbos, karoo, and others. Guys, we've had an amazing day. I'm so glad the sun's come out and it's just been a great day. You definitely have to come here. Do the red bus tour. You're going to have a lot of fun. Back on the red bus, the bus makes its way to Constantia. For those wine lovers, you can hop on the purple line at the change point in Constantia and visit the beautiful wine farms of Groot Constantia, Eagle's Nest, and Bo Constantia. We, however, went straight through, making our way to Hout Bay. En route, we passed one of Cape Town's most well-loved and awarded fine dining restaurants, Le Colombe, taking guests on a gastronomic voyage in a treehouse-like setting. Chef James Gark's complex yet perfectly balanced dishes are culinary theatre. We also passed the World of Birds Wildlife Sanctuary, which is the largest bird park in Africa. With over 3,000 birds and 400 different species, the World of Birds is one of Cape Town's premier tourist attractions. And here we are, finally arriving into the harbour town of Hout Bay, our next stop for the day. As a historic and still working fishing village, Hout Bay has many restaurants where you can enjoy the freshest and most delicious fish and chips. We stopped for lunch at the popular Marina's Wharf restaurant and had the best day. Sitting on the deck, listening to the local musicians, entertaining visitors, and overlooking the bay. What a vibe! And the food was delicious too. And that's actually quite nice. The thingy.
What is that? Cucumber. Those are big oysters. No.
They're delicious though.
They are
Good.
big.
Nice and fresh. I love an oyster. Okay, next one.
That's nice.
We were sad to leave Hout Bay, but the view on the next part of our trip was something made of magic. Riding along the coast, watching the sun glisten over the beautiful blue water on the one side and the magical 12 Apostle mountain range on the other, with Lion's Head in view, Oh man, I tell you, it truly is awe-inspiring and one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life. Coming into the affluent Camps Bay suburb, the area is well known for its long stretched white sandy beach, natural rock swimming pool, and posh restaurants, cafes, and cocktail bars. It's one of the most vibrant and trendy suburbs in all of Cape Town. Guys, I hope this video inspires you to visit Cape Town. You won't regret it. It truly is magnificent. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, leave a comment and ring the bell. I'll see you soon.